Right then, Luke. So if you just want to introduce yourself, tell me about your company and where you're from, and yeah.
Well, my name is Luke Rudiman. I'm the MD of the Flood Company Commercial Limited, and we supply and install flood mitigation products for commercial and domestic markets.
Oh, great. Okay. And tell me, how long have you been using flood technologies, and what do you like about their products?
We've been using flood technologies for about 3 to 4 years, and we like their products because they're very robust, but they're also quite versatile as far as we can use them for our commercial clients and our domestic clients. They've got a lot of it's a very robust system. It's aluminium, so it lasts forever. Parts of it are very serviceable, like seals, things like that, which goes great with our maintenance. So it ticks all the boxes for us, and it's very much a turnkey service with Fred, sort of deliveries, pull his finger out, things like that when we need deadlines. So yeah, very good system.
Oh, great. And how would you say they compare with others in the market, with other products in the market?
I'd say they're very good, if not sort of one of the leaders. A lot of people try to copy them, which is always sort of a bit of good. That's, you know, you're doing something right when someone wants to copy you. But they're definitely up there for pricing, quality, and service. Most definitely. So yeah, very
Excellent.
good.
And give me a few examples of where you've used the barriers and.
Well, two sort of extreme examples would be we've used it on Syngenta, which is a chemical works plant. They need to protect sort of contamination and also a lot of their substations. So we've used it on there. We've also used it on sort of a Mrs. Smith's job for driveways and larger openings, things like that. So it's quite varied.
Oh, right, okay. And now, what would you say what's their reputation in the marketplace?
I'd say Floodtech has a very good reputation for one problem solving. If there's something a bit different, we can always talk to sort of Fred or Tech and sort of discuss the options. It's very versatile if we need different plates, if we need a different design, things like that. Always open to new ideas if we can improve it. There's always room for improvements on any product. Fred's always sort of try to be one step ahead of the game. So
it's a good sort of flexible, open working relationship. And,
definitely.
You know,
and it's a very flexible system. You can make walls with it. You can do a single aperture. You can do driveways. You can do sort of almost entire walls. You can do right angles, compounds. So whatever really the customer needs, you can use it, come up with a design within the system and help them with Fred to fulfil their requirements really.
Right. So when you're when you're promoting the product or you're talking to customers about it, what are those 2 or 3 things that you really want to make sure they understand about the product that, is
It's usually the robustness, because with sort of commercial sort of heavy duty product, there is a price difference between the sort of cheap plastic sort of domestic barrier that you see on the market. Those prices are sort of getting cheaper and cheaper. So when we're trying to sell the sort of this product, which is much more robust, we heavily play on sort of the lifetime span, the lifetime of the product, the good usability, the robustness, the way it can be maintained, seals that can be replaced easily, spare parts, etc., are all readily available, and that's what sort of we try and push home to the customer, that you're getting value for money long term.
Oh, great. So, in a nutshell, what would you say stands out as the reasons why somebody should use the barriers?
For the barriers, really a sort of value for money and a tried and tested system. So why would you sort of take a risk on someone else's product when it's tried and tested? There's support there if there is a problem. We know it doesn't leak, and there isn't a problem as long as it's installed correctly and it's maintained correctly. So why would you go somewhere else?
Fantastic. That's great. Thank you, Luke.
Thanks
Cheers.
very much.